Okay guys, so now we're here to predict one game every night, every day. So one NBA game every day. So today's featured game is New York Knicks versus the Memphis Grizzlies. So we will try to read what will happen to that game. So what will happen or what will be the outcome. So let's do some research. I so the game will happen on Tuesday, November 11, 6:30 p.m. Madison Square Garden, New York City. So the home court advantage will be in favor for the New York Knicks. So the spread is -9 New York and +9 Memphis Grizzlies. So the Memphis Grizzlies are the underdog here. So what's our prediction there? So before we make our prediction, let's talk about the injury report. So the injury report: Grizzlies, Zach Edey out, Ty Jerome out, Scottie Pippen Jr. out, Brandon Clark out, Javon Small out. So while the Knicks have Mitchell Robinson questionable ankle, Kevin McCullough day-to-day nose. So that's the injuries. So for me, the depths, the more, what do you call this? The more healthier team is the New York Knicks. So with that alone, I will go with the New York Knicks plus -9.5. And why -9.5? So lately, New York Knicks has been blowing team out on their home court. So I think, and with the Memphis Grizzlies not playing that well now this season, so in their last games, they are not playing well. So in the choke that happened on their game with OKC, so for me that's a big red flag for them, for the Memphis Grizzlies now. They are not playing well, while the New York Knicks is playing very good basketball. They are blowing teams in their home court. So for me, New York Knicks -9.5. So that's all, guys.